matters, write down one line that respondent number 2. It has been submitted by learned counsel for respondent number 2 that counter affidavit has already been filed yesterday. Let registry to verify and update the records in all 7 matters. Now taking up the matters one by one. Okay. First it is 71. 4 weeks time is granted to respondent number 1, 3, 5 to 9 to file counter affidavit. Counter affidavit has already been filed by respondent number 4. Service is complete on respondent number 10 to 14, 16 and 17, but none has entered appearance. 2 weeks time is granted to learned counsel for the petitioner to take fresh steps and to file fresh particulars for service on respondent number 15. Let the matter be listed on.
I'm appearing for the state, respondent number 5 to 9 in this matter. In all the matters, I'm appearing for 5 to 9.
Okay.
We also filed an SLP, so that SLP may be treated as a counter because we do not wish to file counter.
Separate count.
Our SLP may be treated.
Okay, so in all the matters, ma'am, one line is going to be added. Learned counsel. Sir?
1.6 is the state system.
Okay. It has been submitted by learned counsel appearing correspondent number 5 to 9. That no separate counter affidavit would be filed in the matter as and the SLP number 35114 of 2024 be treated as counter affidavit in this matter. Let the submission be taken on record. The date will be, ma'am, 10th of February. 10th of February. In 71.1, 4 weeks time is granted to file counter affidavit to respondent number 1 and 3. Again, 2 has filed counter affidavit. 2 and 4. No, for 2 separate submission will be there because registry has to verify. 4 has already filed counter affidavit. Learned counsel for the petitioner has filed an application
For dispense filing
is seeking dispensation from filing spare copies for service on respondent number 10 to 12, 14, 15, 17 and 18, stating therein that they are respondents in SLP number 12430 of 2024. Let the said application be listed before Honorable the Judge in Chambers. Learned counsel for the petitioner has only filed 5 sets of spare copies for service on respondent number 5 to 9, 13 and 16. But 5 to 9 is entering appearance in this matter also? You are the respondents. You are the petitioners in SLP 71.6, isn't it? This is your first appearance?
No, Your Worship. We also previously appeared before this court. After that, we filed the wakalat. But in the last order,
Take your ICM, I guess.
You are management, on behalf of management.
They have entered appearance?
And item number 71. You are only in SLP civil 100.
oh, I am all SI.
All is. There is no appearance for respondent number
There
5.
is no appearance for 5 to 9.
That was the last occasion after because I am representing state in all these matters. And on the last occasion before Your Lordships, I appeared and apprised Your Lordships that I am appearing. I will be appearing in all.
But it is not appearing in the office report.
But in all these matters, we filed a wakalatnama for the state, correspondent number 5 to 9.
The last date of hearing is there. And it says in the report. किसी में हो किसी में नहीं है सब में 25/9/24 ये फाइल होगा
As per office report, service is not complete on respondent number 5 to 18.
Yes. In which?
This matter, 71.1, SLP 19326.
And इसी में एप्लीकेशन दिए
Here I'm telling about 5 to 9, 13 and 16. If spare copies are received within the time granted, let notice be issued immediately and the matter be listed on 10th of February. Otherwise, let the matter be laid before Honorable the Judge in Chambers. Next, it is 71.2. Learned counsel for the petitioner has filed an application seeking dispensation from filing spare copies with regard to respondent number 10 to 17, 19 and 20. Let the application be listed before Honorable the Judge in Chambers. Learned counsel for the petitioner has only filed 2 sets of spare copies for service on respondent number 5 to 9. A week's time is granted to file the requisite number of spare copies. If the said are filed within the time granted, let notice be issued immediately and matter be listed on 10th of February. Else, let the matter be listed before Honorable the Judge in Chambers. Now 73.3. 4 weeks time is granted to respondent number 1 to 3 and 5 to 9, 1, 3 and 5 to 9 to file counter affidavit. Again, submission regarding respondent number 2. Counter has been filed, registered to verify. Counter affidavit has already been filed by respondent number 4. Let the matter be listed before the Honorable Court as the Honorable Court has directed to issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Now 71.4. Counter affidavit has already been filed by respondent number 4. Again, submission regarding respondent number 2, counter affidavit, registered to verify. 4 weeks time is granted to respondent number 1 to 3 and 5 to 1, 3 and 5 to 9 to file counter affidavit. Service is complete on respondent number 10, but none has entered appearance. Let the matter be listed before the Honorable Court as the Honorable Court has directed to issue notice returnable in 4 weeks.
For 5 to 9, SLP may be taken in 4 weeks time.
In 71.4.
In all these matters for 5 to 9.
Actually, you have not entered appearance in some of the matters. 1946. In 71.4, you have entered appearance. In this matter, you are saying that submission of the submission you made earlier should be recorded over here. That SLP of this and this number, 71.6, be treated as counter in this matter. Submission be taken on record. Now 71.5. In this matter also, you have entered appearance for 5 and 9. Again, the same submission will